Buddhist lamp ceremony. Compassion shines on earthquake victims of March 28, 2025. Over the evening of April 11, 2025, the 14th day of the third lunar month, a solemn prayer lamp offering ceremony was held in the sacred atmosphere of Dang Nghiêm Dharma Institute at Kuk Thủy Temple. The ceremony saw the participation of numerous venerable monks and nuns, Buddhist practitioners, and devotees from all directions. The ceremony was presided over by Mirothik Minh Thanh, abbot of Cúc Thủy Temple and head of Thắng Nghiêm Dharma Institute, along with the venerable monks and nuns from temples across the country. Together, they chanted sutras, offered prayers, and lit candles to guide the spirits of the deceased monks, nuns, and thousands of victims who perished in the recent earthquake disaster. They also prayed for the affected nations to overcome this tremendous loss and quickly restore stability and normalcy to their communities. The ceremony resonated with compassionate chanting and the shimmering light of offering lamps, symbols of faith, hope, and profound solidarity and with the monastics and thousands of victims who lost their lives in the devastating earthquake that struck Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, and neighboring regions on March 20th, 2025. Kokti Temple was immersed in remembrance and relations under the mystical glow of candles. Actually, candle represented a heartfelt prayer for the departed souls to reach the Pure Land, for survivors to overcome their suffering, and for affected country to swiftly rebuild their peaceful existence. In the spirit of universal compassion, the prayer lamp ceremony was not merely a religious ritual, but a tangible expression of human connection and boundless compassion. The beautiful aspirations that Buddhism continuously promotes. The temple committee and all Buddhist participants devoted themselves to organizing and attending the ceremony with utmost reverence and sincerity, spreading peaceful energy and promoting harmony and kindness. The prayer lamp ceremony served as a space where spiritual light emerged with humanity's hearts together, igniting hope amidst loss and sorrow. Each illuminating candle stood as living testimony to the practice of learning, contemplating, and cultivating faith, aspirations, and conduct, preserve concentrations and wisdom, having ourselves and others, including all sentient beings, both conscious and unconscious, to achieve perfect wisdom, be reborn in the Pure Land, encounter Amitabha Buddha, reside non-birth, and attain Buddhahood together. Amitabha Recitation Sutra, homage to Amitabha Buddha, the Dharma body of the entire Dharma realm. Homage to Amitabha Buddha, the great compassionate guide who welcomes being to the Western Pure Land of ultimate bliss. Thank you.